tubular lightweight subframe for your DC2 Integras, EKs, and EGs. This is by UNIT2 Fabrication out in Canada. And dude, it's pretty beefy. This is chromoly. It clears a lot of freaking room on the back right here to adjust things. Like say you need to adjust the steering lash right here for the steering rack. It's so much easier to reach than the factory one. And same with servicing, like anything back here, especially since the OEM one's just stamped steel and it covers everything around here. Look at all that space that you get. All right, the only thing that I added on here that I think will make this a little bit stronger than what UNIT2 already does, which I think this is more like just for me, I added this carbing bar, which is actually steel, to box this whole thing right here, because otherwise you just have this U-shaped subframe and there's nothing connecting the middle. So I just added this, and some people might be curious if you end up scraping this because it hangs a little bit. It actually doesn't scrape, and my car is not slammed, but it's pretty low. And then as you can see right here, we've refinished all of the OEM arms. Got a lot of stuff here from PCI. So this lower control arm, upper control arm is all PCI. This right here, the compliance bushing, is also spherical, but you can use the Integra Type R sway bar on the UNIT2 Fabrication subframe right here, which is, dude, absolutely amazing and way deep in there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I got I got the collar cover from, I think that's from MDP out in Florida. Super dope piece.